Hi kids, how are you all? I hope you all must be fine. तो मेरे क्लास वन के नन्हे मुन्ने प्यारे प्यारे बच्चों, what we are going to read today? Today we are going to read for Science Olympiad. Okay. So in our last class we have already started the chapter living and non-living things, and we have already discussed some question of this chapter. Okay, so if you have not watched that video yet, then you can go to the playlist and check it out. Clear? And in our today's class we are going to discuss some more questions on the same chapter, living and non-living things. Okay, so shall we start now? Let's start. The first question is, which of the following is or are characteristic feature of all living things? So here are four options. We have to find out the option in which all the characteristic feature of all living things are present. Okay. So what is our first option? Living things need food. Okay, so do living things need food? Yes, of course, all living things need food. Animals need food, plants also need food. Okay, living things breathe? Yes, it is also true. Living things do breathe. Plants also breathe, animals also breathe. Okay, next is living things reproduce. Yes, it is also fact. Living things reproduce. Reproduce means to give birth to young one of your own kind. Okay, we know that the mango plant, from a mango seed a new mango plant is developed. Okay, and the properties are same, isn't it? That means the mango plant is reproducing. A dog give birth to a puppy. You like puppies? जो dogs होते हैं, they give birth to puppies. They are of the same kind of their parents. That means that dog is reproducing. Okay, so every living things reproduced. That means living things has all the three features. So which is our correct option? Our correct option is option D, that is all of this. Okay, so let's move to the next question. Why do animals move from one place to another? You have seen animals moving from one place to another. If you have a puppy or a small kitten, okay, at your home, then they will remain with you. But there are many street dogs, street animals, okay, so they always move from one place to another. But why they do so? Let us see the reasons. To look for food, yes, as they if a kitten or a puppy is at your home, then you can feed him. Okay, but when the animals are present outside, so sometimes some people they feed them, but all the times they don't feed. Okay, so in search of food, they when they go from one place to another place. Okay, and to look for water, yes, it is also true. They need water, that's why they move from here and there. Okay, it is not only for street animals, it is also for the animals they are present in forest. Hmm? To look for shelter, yes, they also need shelter. If it is raining outside and if it is very hot outside, how will they survive there? They need a safe place. That's why they move to another place to get away from danger. Yes, this is also true. To get away from danger, everyone is afraid of danger. We always try to be get away from the danger. Okay, same things animals also do. And we are also animals. Okay, so what do we do to get away from danger? We also can move from one place to another. So these are the four things which are the reason for which animals move from one place to another. So which is our correct option? That is option D, bit 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, let's move to the next question. The following table gives some examples of living and non-living things. Okay, so in living things there are animal, plant, birds and clouds, and in non-living things the sun, the moon, stars and rock. Which of the following is placed on the wrong heading? Okay, so living things, animals. Animals are living things? Yes. Plants are living things? Yes. Birds are living things? Yes. Clouds are living things? No, clouds are not living things. They are non-living things. The sun, non-living thing? Yes. Moon, Yes, it is also non-living thing. Stars are also non-living. Rocks also non-living. Okay. So, which is the thing that is placed under wrong heading? That is clouds. The correct option is cloud. Okay. Cloud is the only thing which is placed under wrong heading. That is living thing. It should be placed under non-living thing. Okay बच्चों समझ में आ रहा है सबको? Let's move to the next question. Which of the following is a difference between living and non-living things? Okay, there are four points. We have to find out the difference between living and non-living things. So first thing that I have already discussed in the last class also. What do a living things do? They need air to breathe. They need food and water to survive. Okay, they reproduce. They respond to stimuli. All these things living things do. But these things are not done by non-living things. Okay, so keeping this in mind, we will solve this question. First option, living things are tall but non-living things are short. Does it happen? Living things are tall and non-living things are short. No, not at all. The rocks and the hills, mountains, they are far longer than us, isn't it? Yes. So this option is wrong. Living things are young but non-living things are old. No, that is also not true. Living things need food, air, and water, but non living things do not need them. Yes, it is the correct option. Next, living things do not grow, but non living things do. It is also wrong thing. Living things grow, we grow, okay. Animals grow, plants grow, but does non living thing grow? No, non living thing does not grow. Okay, so which is our correct option? Our correct option is option C. Okay, bachcho. Let's move to the next question. Select the option which correctly identifies the heading X and Y. So, X in X, there are three things. In Y, there are three things. What is asking? We have to identify the heading X and Y. Okay, here X is given, here Y is given. But what is X? What should be the heading of X? What should be the heading Y? That we have to find out. So first we need to see those things which are listed under heading X. Okay, rose plant, dog, fish. And in Y, notebook, rubber band and house. Okay, so rose plant, dog, fish. What are they? They are living things. Okay. They are living things. Notebook, rubber band, house. These are non-living things. You can easily know these things. Okay. Which are living things and which are non-living things. Okay. So, and one more thing. Rose plant, dog, fish, they are natural. All living things are natural. Okay, all living things are natural things. And here one more thing, non-living things, they can be natural and they can be man-made. Like the things, mountain, sun, moon, stars, they are natural. But the things, the furnitures we use, the houses and the vehicles, these are man-made non-living things. But here notebook, rubber band, house present. They are man-made non-living things. Okay, so which is the correct option? Let us choose X living things, Y non-living things. Yes, it is there. We have already said these things. Next, X natural things, Y man-made things. Yes, it is also correct. We have already discussed now. Okay, so the correct option, what should be the correct option? That should be D, both A and B. Okay, as this is also correct, this is also correct. The correct option is option D, both A and B. Okay, बच्चों, I think सबका हो गया होगा. If you all know the answers of these questions, you can comment me in my comment section. Okay. Next, column 1, column 2. Non-living things that cannot move on its own. Natural thing that was once alive. Natural thing that was never alive. So these are in column 1 and in column 2, water, wood and rock. So we have to match the columns. Okay. Natural things that was once alive. It is very common example. You can remember some things that are wood and our paper. These are some things that usually come in exam. These are the natural things which was once alive. Wood and paper, they are now non-living. They are now men had used this and making many things from this. Okay, but once they were alive, in which form? They are obtained from plant. When they were in plant form, they were alive. Okay, so natural things that was once alive is wood, cube. Natural things that was never alive, nature, and first bit non-living thing that cannot move on its own. Okay, so for this we have two options, water and rock. Water can move on its own. Okay, it has the property fluidity, it has ability to flow. That property is known as fluidity. So water can move of its own if you pour it. And in river, stream, pond, in that cases it can move of its own. So non-living things that cannot move on its own is rock, are, and natural thing that was never alive, that is what. Okay, so in this way you have to just think in which place you can keep these things. Okay, you have to little bit think. So option, what is correct option? 1R, 2Q, 3P. 1R, 2Q, 3P. So where is our option? ढूंढो. मिला किसी को? I got it. It is present in option C. Okay, बच्चों, let's move to the next question. Things. Things is divided into living things and non-living things. Living things is named as X, and the non-living things is again divided into once alive and never alive. Once alive we can tell them Y, and never alive we can tell them Z. So now three columns are present, X, Y, Z. We have to find out which option is true. Living things, living things, then non-living, once alive, non-living, never alive. And you take do some one thing. You now pause the video. You think of your own. Okay. Then you, if you have ticked one option, then now you continue the video and match your answer with my answer. Okay. It is not that I will tell you and you will learn from me. And there is something that you should think of your own, that will develop your mind as well. Okay. So according to me, the option is D. How? Lizard. Lizard is the living thing. X, isn't it? Next, Y. Wooden chair. It is non-living thing but once alive. I told it just now. Once alive means when it we got wooden chair from wood, which is obtained from our plant. Okay, the when it was in the form of plant, it was alive, but now it is wooden chair. Okay, so in this form it is not alive, but it was once alive. That's why we have kept it under Y. Next, gold earrings. It is a non-living thing and it is never alive, so we have kept it in option Z, in group Z. Okay, so which is our correct option? Option D. So how many of you have choose the choose the correct option? Comment me. Okay, next question. Which of the following have been wrongly paired? Observation and living things can. Okay, here are some observations, and from that observation we need to conclude something, that what living things can do. Okay, so we have to choose which one is correct. Observation 1, a rabbit gives birth. Okay, a rabbit gives birth. Grow. A rabbit, if a rabbit gives birth, does it mean that living things can grow? No, not at all. If a rabbit gives birth, that means it is giving birth to its young ones of its own kind. That means it it concludes that living things can reproduce. Okay. Next, a caterpillar turns into pupa and then butterfly. Reproduce? No. If a caterpillar turns into pupa, then butterfly, it is showing its growing stage. That means the caterpillar is growing. It is converting into pupa and it is again growing into butterfly. So, that means a living thing can grow. So, this option is also not correct. A bee flies from one flower to another. It means living thing can move. Yes, of course, it is fact. A leaf withers and turns brown. That means living things can die. Yes, also, of course, this is also correct. So, which is our correct option? That is option 3 and 4. Okay. So, I think some mistake is there. It is option D, 3 and sorry. Our question is which one is wrongly paired. Okay, and I am searching for correct pairing. So wrongly paired, which one is wrongly paired? Option 1 and 2. So which is our correct option? That is option B, option 1 and 2 only. Okay bachcho, got it? Next, rabbit pee is kept in box with holes and carrot in it. Okay, and rabbit q is kept in a box with holes, a carrot and some water in a bowl. Which rabbit will not survive after about 1 week? Okay, there are two rabbits, rabbit P and rabbit Q. Rabbit P is placed in kept in a box with holes. Box with holes, that means the rabbit will get air from that hole, and also carrot. Carrot means it gets food to eat. Okay, rabbit Q, what it has? It is kept in a box with holes. Box with holes means it is getting air. A carrot means it is also getting food, and some water in a bowl. That means it also getting some water. So which rabbit will not survive after about 1 week? So rabbit Q is getting all the three necessity of life. Okay, all the three necessities of life, that is air, food and water. But P is getting only air and food, but no water is there. Okay, and for surviving, first we need air, second water, third food. So as one of the necessary thing is missing for P, so P will not survive after about 1 week. Okay, why? Because rabbit P, because it did not get water. That is option C. Clear? Okay, let's move to the next question. Which rat would like to live for longest time? Okay, there are four rats, P, Q, R, S. First, in airtight container with water and biscuit. So, here in rat P is getting air and food. I'm sorry. Is airtight container means it is not getting air with water and food. In Q, container with holes. Container with holes means it is getting air. Biscuit means it is getting food and water. Rat R, in container with holes means it is getting air and water. S, in container with holes and biscuit. In holes means it is getting air and biscuit means it is getting food. So, what is the question? Which rat would like to live for longest time? Okay, which rat will like to live for longest time? Of course, that rat which is getting all the three necessities of life, that is air, water and food. So, which is getting all these three options, all the three necessities, that is rat Q. So, it is of course the obvious thing that rat Q will live for the longest time. Okay, so which is the correct option? That is option B, rat Q. Okay, bachcho. So, this much in today's video. In the next video, we will be with much more interesting, amazing questions. Okay, till then, mindfully पढ़ाई करते रहो. Okay, bye.